Hey everyone, I'd like to quickly tell you about the highlights of this great vacuum cleaner. First of all, the vacuum head has great bristles on here to pick up any dog hair, small debris, things like that. And you even have bristles on the side to get along the edges of the floor and the baseboard. The front panel has your adjustments for the height of the surface that you're using, so you can do flat surfaces like tile or linoleum, something like that, and then you can go higher if you're doing a carpet, and it can adjust to different heights of pile of carpet. It has several attachments as well, so you can detach the hose from the main unit here and then put your attachments on. It comes with a nice triangular shaped, so you can get into corners and pick up dog hair and debris that gets stuck in those corners. It also has a small brush on here that you can do. This is handy for like if you want to do your window coverings, blinds, things like that. And then you also have one that attaches up here. This is a great attachment to clean your upholstery or even stairs, not anything that you want to attach on here. And then this is your extension. And it comes with also a very narrow opening here so you can get in corners and edges like that. And that stores right in there like that. And then you just set it in here and it attaches in there. The cord is fairly long, it's decent. The quality is outstanding. This is your power. Once you plug it in, this is your power switch. This is going to allow you to maneuver this, and not only does it bend this way, but it also swivels, so when you're turning it, and you can get turn the corners easily like that, and then it locks into place when you're done. And then for the canister, you simply depress this button here to release it, and then you will undo down here, just release this latch and you can empty it out. The filter you can just rinse in warm soapy water and let it air dry, and that's all there is to it. So I hope the review was helpful for you. Thanks so much for watching. Take good care.